Hello everyone, for today's video, how to transfer money from Maya Wallet to Maribank account and magkano naman yung charge. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, to cash into Maribank from Maya Wallet, first step ay i-open mo ang iyong Maya application. Then dito guys sa dashboard ng Maya Wallet ay piliin mo tong bank transfer. Then scroll down at hanapin mo tong Maribank and enter the required details. Then maglagay ka ng amount at may 15 pesos po na additional fee. Then maglagay ka ng iyong purpose. So halimbawa, allowance, at dito sa account details, ilagay mo yung Maribank account number. At yung account name. Then tap continue. Then review mo ang iyong details. Okay, so please make sure that the account details at yung amount ay tama. Siya nga po pala guys, yung fee ay 15 pesos. At kapag ang amount na gusto mong ilipat ay 500 pesos, ang total amount na madideduct sa iyong Maya Wallet ay 515 pesos. Then, itap mo na tong transfer. And next is enter the OTP sent to your mobile number via SMS. I-check mo at i-copy mo yung OTP. Then, i-enter mo dito and tap verify. And now, ay ni-process na po ang ating transaction. Okay, itap mo lang to if you want to view your receipt. And as you can see, 515 pesos po yung na-total na nadidak sa aking Maya Wallet balance. And kapag ni-open naman natin ang ating Maribank account, at kikita natin tong details. At may matatanggap din po tayong email from Maribank. At gano'n lang po mag-send money from Maya Wallet into Maribank. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.